Managing servicing, MOTs or repairs doesn't need to slow you down. Introducing Allstar ServicePoint in the Allstar Copilot app. Whether you manage 5 vans or 20, you're in control right from your phone. And it's simple to get started. Fleet managers can activate ServicePoint on the relevant cards via the Copilot app. Ask drivers to link their vehicles in-app and they're ready to book. Need to book a service, MOT or a repair? Once activated, drivers can find garages and book their own vehicle servicing, MOT or repairs in seconds, from anywhere. No calls, no chasing, no paperwork. Allow push notifications, and fleet managers will receive real-time notifications and can approve work with a tap, keeping costs clear and under control. All spend is rolled into a single HMRC-compliant invoice, available on Allstar online. With access to thousands of trusted garages, fast approvals, and, if opted in, automatic MOT and service reminders, Allstar ServicePoint helps keep your fleet compliant, productive, and moving forward. Allstar ServicePoint in Copilot. Maintenance simplified. Download the Allstar Copilot app today and take control from anywhere.